Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix internet will only connect after reboot in Windows 11, 10. First method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one. Second method is, click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Network reset. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.